Hey everyone, welcome back to 44 Tech Zone. Today, we're super excited to show you the newest star in the Galaxy S series, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This phone is a real game changer, packed with awesome features. Let's check it out. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a gorgeous 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display that's super bright, going up to 2600 nits. So, even in bright sunlight, you'll see everything clearly. Plus, it's got Corning Gorilla Armor to keep it safe and sound. Get ready to take your photography to the next level. This phone comes with a whopping 200 megapixels main camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens, a 50MP5X telephoto lens, and a 10MP3X telephoto lens. With 100x space zoom and some cool AI features, taking amazing photos and videos is a breeze. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a beefed-up processor for better performance all around. And with a bigger vapor chamber, it stays cool even when you're using it a lot. You won't run out of space with this phone, as it comes in 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB storage options. It's got a sleek titanium frame and a flat display, making it look super stylish and giving you more screen to enjoy. Your privacy is a top priority with Samsung Knox, which keeps your data safe with top-notch security. Plus, you can choose to keep AI processing offline if you want. Samsung is also all about being eco-friendly. The Galaxy S24 Ultra uses recycled materials and promises 7 generations of OS upgrades and 7 years of security updates. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos for the latest tech news and reviews.